Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do some more fact families. But to be able to do our fact families today, we're missing a piece of our fact family. So on these four, we actually have the parts, but we do not have the whole. So if I have two of my parts, but I don't have the whole, what do I do to the parts to find the whole? I add them together. Very good. So on this one, I have 4 plus 2. So 4, 5, and 6 is the missing number. Good. On the next problem, 5 and 4, if I needed to add those together, put your pencil on 5, count up 4. Good. The missing part is 9. 7 plus 3. That should give you a clue really quick that those two are 10 friends. So 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, now that we have all of our missing parts, we can fill out our fact family. So take the whole that you just did and put it on the right side first for the addition problems, and put it on the left side first for the subtraction problems. So let's do that on all of these. Let's write 9 and 9, 9 and 9. We're just following the pattern of fact families. So next you take the 10 that you found and put it here, and then put 10 here. And on the last one, we put 9 here, and here, and 9 here, and here. Okay, so now we just basically have to go in and put the rest of the parts where they belong. So I'm going to put 4 and 2, and then I flip-flop them, and I'm going to put 2 and then 4. And then I do the same thing over here, except it's just going to be on the equal side. So 4 and 2, and 2 and 4. Good. Same thing over here. 5 and 4, 4 and 5, and then I repeat it. 5 and 4, 4 and 5. Okay, so I've started you on the last two. I want you to finish them and then turn it over to the back. All right, boys and girls, we're going to do some more subtracting, except this time I think you're going to need your number line. Don't let these big numbers make you feel like you can't do it or it's too hard, because it's not too hard. You just need to use your number line to find the answers. So 15 minus 9. Put your pencil on 15 and count back 9 spaces, and then tell me what you landed on. Did you land on 6? Perfect. Okay, 18 minus 6. Go ahead and put your pencil on 18 and count back 6 spaces. What did you land on? 12. Very good. Okay, 12 minus 4. Pencil on 12, count back 4. It's 8. And the last one is 14 minus 0. And since it's a minus 0, the number just stays the same. So go ahead and finish the last two on your own, and then raise your hand for your teacher when you're finished. Good job!